Hi guys, today I will be showing you 10 best free optimizer apps of 2017 for your Mac. With these 10 apps, you can optimize your Mac better and make use of features that Apple has carelessly ignored. These are features that can control the already built-in Mac hardware so that you can fully use your Mac more professionally. So without further delay, let's get started. App number 1 is called Battery Monitor here. As its name suggests, its main function is to carefully monitor your Mac battery consumption, battery life cycle, and battery capacity in order to provide accurate data regarding how much time you have left before you have to charge your Mac. What I like the most about this app is that it brings back alert notifications when the battery drains below a specific percentage that you set to ensure that you charge your Mac before it's too late. So right now, because I am plugged in to the power source, that's why it doesn't show the usage time remaining. If I unplug it, you see here, they change to source, they put the battery, and they're calculating the time I have left before I have to charge. If you use the built-in application here, they only show you the percentage of the battery. They don't tell you how much time you have left. But with this battery monitor app, it will calculate that for you. And you can see here, now it shows you the time you have left before you have to charge your Mac. Because I have used this Mac for more than 1 year already, that's why my battery capacity is not 100%. So right now, 6% of my battery died already. I have only 94% left, which is about 6192 milliamp. And if you go to preference here, you can set it to open at login, show icon at the dock. You can show the percentage instead of these. You can add percentage next to it like that. You don't want to click here to see time remaining. You can just click it to show the time like that, so that you know how much time you have left before you have to recharge. So you can customize to the way you want it to be. And here, notification, you can set it to notify you when the battery run to a point where you want it to notify you. Like I would set it to notify me when my battery drained to 20%, it will notify me to recharge. This is the feature that Apple has already ditched, and you cannot see that. You cannot change anything here. If you go to energy settings, there's nothing you can change. But with this, it brings back that feature for you. You can change the theme as well. You can change it to rainbow, change the color. You can change it to dark based on your preference. So with this app, it will make you more aware of your Mac battery situation so that you can charge it on time. This is the first app. Let's move on to app number 2. For app number 2, it is called Memory Cleaner X. Here, this app. What this app does is it monitors and automatically cleans your Mac RAM when it is heavily used beyond its predetermined settings. So for example, if you set it to clean when RAM or memory is consumed more than 50%, for example here 50%, this app will start clean up memories automatically when your computer uses up to 50% of the memory. So you don't have to do anything, it will do everything automatically. And also, if you can see here, clean up memory if large applications quit. Sometimes, for example, when you run large applications like Photoshop or Final Cut Pro, those large applications use a lot of memory. When you close that app, it will clean the memory automatically for you. So you can see here, it's very simple, and you can click clean up here if you want to. If you want to see the free memory remaining, you can click free size. You want to see what memories are used, you click used size. To me, I think it's better to see the free memory so that you know which situation your memory is at. What I love the most about this app is that it does most of the job by itself. All you have to do is just preset it to the way you want it to be, and then it will do the rest automatically. This is app number 2. Let's move on to app number 3. App number 3 is called Chrome Remote Desktop. What this app does is it allows you to remotely control your Mac from anywhere. No matter how far you are from your Mac, you can always control it. This is especially useful when you leave your Mac to finish uploading a large size file or to finish downloading a big size file unattended, because maybe you have to go to school or work. With this app, you can always use your iPhone or iPad to frequently check and control your Mac from school, from work with ease, even though your Mac is at home. All you need is to make sure that both your Mac and your iPhone are connected to the internet. And as you can see on my Mac, I have my Mac connected to a Wi-Fi, and on my iPhone also connected to the Wi-Fi. This one, if for example you are at home but you are in different room, you leave your Mac in your room and you go downstairs, you can also control from downstairs. You don't have to have the same Wi-Fi connection. You can also use your regular internet from your cellular data plan from your SIM card. It will also work. So to make sure that you can control your Mac using your iPhone, you need to install Google Chrome as well. If you have only Safari, it doesn't work. You just open Google Chrome and type in Chrome apps. Click enter here, Chrome Remote Desktop. To have these, you need to download it from Web Store here. So you just type in Chrome here, Remote Desktop, this one. So click there. So because I have already downloaded it, that's why I say launch app. But if you haven't, just click download it and install it. After you install it, you open it like this. And you also need to download this app on your iPhone. Go to App Store and then you type in Chrome Remote Desktop. Here, the first one, just install that and you're good to go. After you install both Chrome Remote Desktop app for your Mac and your iPhone, you go to Chrome on your Mac desktop and you click Enable Remote Connections. Here they ask you to type in the PIN. So they say at least 6 digits. So type in the PIN and remember that PIN so that you can control from your iPhone. Let me type my PIN first. You type that PIN again. Click OK. It starts enabling the remote connection. And here they ask to confirm again if you want to do that. So right now you cannot type in the PIN. In order to type in the PIN, you need to click here to unlock the key. You need to have administrator password. Okay, now they allow you to type in the PIN that you set at the moment. Click enable. Lock this one back. Here it says remote connections for this computer have been enabled. Click OK. And here they have the name of that computer. You can also rename that if you don't want it. I would say like testing Mac 007. So you have to have this running. Leave it there. You go to Chrome Remote app on your iPhone. You see here they said testing Mac 007. So make sure you have the same Gmail account signed in. I have this Gmail account here on my Mac, and if you take a look at Gmail account I sign in on my iPhone app, the same. And now you can see here, if you want to control it, you just click on that and it asks you to type in the PIN that you just set at the moment. Connect. Okay, you see, you take a look on my Mac desktop, you see there is another mouse moving. This is I'm controlling it, so you can control anything. You can open any apps, just touch on the screen, it will open. And if for example you want to close your Mac, you can do that too here. So basically you can fully control your Mac from anywhere as long as you have internet connection. Let's move on to app number 4. So for app number 4, it is called Simple Recorder. This app is the replacement of voice memos app that exists only on your iPhone. With your Mac, you don't have a built-in voice memos app like your iPhone, even though your Mac has 2 microphones. But Apple does not include voice memo for your Mac. This is really annoying because sometimes you want to have a voice recording using your Mac as well. And I think the sound quality is even better than that from your iPhone, as it has 2 microphones working seamlessly together. And you can see here, every time you open this app, it will show you this pop-up message. You can untick it so that next time it won't show you again. So you can see here, this app is very simple. You can set the volume to the maximum, to any point you like it to be. Currently, because this is a free app, you cannot choose to select any location you want it to be. For this is a Pro, which means you have to buy the Pro version to get this. Also the iCloud, you cannot save it to iCloud Drive because this one needs Pro version. Currently you can only save it to M4A, not MP3. If you want MP3, you have to buy Pro version. But those are features that you don't really use much, so why waste money buying it? Just use the free one. So you can see here the input, it automatically selects the built-in microphone, sample rate, choose the highest one, channel, choose the stereo. This one, all of these features are selected by itself. You don't have to select anything. And to record, you can just click record here, or just click this on the icon, it will start recording. Let me show you example. You just click on it, see, time start rolling. Whatever you say in here, it is recording into this app. You want to stop, just click there again, it will stop. And it show you this. This is the name of the file you want to save. I said testing, and where you wanted to save it, I would save it on desktop here. If I play, see, the time start rolling. Whatever you say in here, it is recording into this app. You want to stop, just click there again. Okay, you can see the sound quality is very clear, and this is the great app. It's free. So this is app number 4. Let's move on to app number 5. For app number 5, it is called display menu here. So when you open it, it will show you this, look like a monitor. What this app does is, you can see here, it allows you to select any screen resolution to fit your output device, because not all output devices use Retina screen display. In other words, not all output devices support HD screen resolution. However, with this app, you can select any screen resolution to fit your connected output device. Like for example, you want to project your Mac screen to an LCD projector, but LCD projector does not support Retina display or HD video projection. So with this app, you can ensure that the projected screen on the output device fits and looks beautiful. You can also upgrade it to the Pro version. Let me show you here. If I click at the top, it will make the screen smaller. As you can see here, it's smaller. This one is for like 5K TV. You can choose this speaker, and if you want it to be back to the way it was before, just click on there, click display preferences. Here you just use default for display. Or if you cannot find this, because sometimes like if I choose this, I cannot see it here. Some people they get panic, but it's okay. It's in the setting. You go to display here, you just click default for display. Click there, it will be back to the way it was before. This is app number 5. Let's move on to app number 6. For app number 6, it is called HiddenMe Free. Here, this app. What this app does is, it allows you to hide every single file, folder or icon on your Mac desktop screen. It's right here. You can see on my Mac desktop, there's nothing. Why? Because I use this app. Before that, like this. Here, these are my desktops, icons and folders. I want to hide it. You just click hide here. Everything's gone. It makes your Mac desktop look clean. So this is especially useful if your Mac desktop is very messy and you want to clean it to make it look beautiful, or if you want to record your Mac desktop screen like I'm doing now. I am recording the screen, so I do not want you to see the messy desktop icons and folders. So I can use this app to hide everything on my desktop, and you can set it to launch at login if you want to, or if you don't, it's up to you. This is app number 6. Let's move on to app number 7. App number 7 is called ShortenMe. What this app does is, it allows you to shorten any URL so that it is easier for you to use or share that shortened URLs with your friends. As you know that sometimes a URL or website address is too long to share with other people, and if you miss just a letter in that URL link, it won't open that page. That's why you need this app to make your URL shorter so that it is easier to use or to share. This is the free alternative of the app called ShortMe. Some of you may know ShortMe, but if you don't, I will explain in a minute. But let's talk about ShortenMe first. So here, this app look like this. It's simple, and most importantly, it's free. So any URL that you want to shorten, you just copy and paste here. Let me show you example. Let's take a look at this URL. Just click Command C to copy. You paste it somewhere like here. You see, this URL is very long, but you want to make it shorter. So just use this URL. You click Command V to paste. The whole URL is here. You just click shorten plus copy. Here, you see it's very short, right? You cannot select it. It's already copied for you. Here, if you want to paste this onto another browser, I click Commands V. You see, you can use this shortened URL. And when I click Enter, will it be the same or not? Here, it looks the same like this one, you see? So it will make your very long URL shorter so that it is easier to use or share with friends or people. And like I told you earlier, because this is the free one, the drawback of this app is every step that you do is you have to do it manually. The step that you have to copy the long link here, you have to select there, you right click, you click copy, or you just use shortcut Command C. And you see here, if you already paste the first link and you want to paste another link, you have to delete this first. Even you click shorten here, you have to do it manually. But there is the paid version of this, like I told you at the moment. The paid version of ShortenMe is ShortMe. It's much better. Why it's better? Let me show you example here. As you can see at the top here, it has the icon. For the paid version, it will do everything automatically for you, and you can even change to whatever names you want. You can change it to Google type or TCN, whatever you want here. You will change it to the way you want it to be, and it just run this app. You have that link at the moment. Let's see. If I click Command C, it will copy. Let's see what happens. You see, When you copy this short menu app will automatically shorten it for you and copy it for you. If I paste here. So this is the paid version, but again, if you don't want to spend money on this, just use this one. Let's move on to app number 8. For app number 8, it is called DrCleaner. This is the free alternative of Clean My Mac 3 here. As you know, the Clean My Mac 3 you have to pay, but DrCleaner you don't have to pay, it's free. What this app does is it allows you to monitor your Mac system performances, including your CPU usage. You can see here, they show you your CPU usage, how many percent have your computer used your CPU so far. And they also show the network usage, the internet, and also they show you the junk files right here. They say 244 megabytes. If you click clean, it will clean it for you. We show you here. See, now it cleaned. You get these 200 plus megabytes back. You can also optimize your memory usage. It's just like you clean your memories. You click optimize here, and if you want to see more feature, you just go to system optimizer. This is the main page. You can see here they categorize it into different types like junk files, big files, duplicate files, app manager, more tools. If you look at the junk files, it's like in here you click clean already, but you can just click scan here to find more if there is any more junk files left. It shows you here these are junk files, temporary files that you also need to delete to get some space back, and if you're done it's okay. If I want to remove this, I click remove, done. And the big files, find and delete big files on your Mac to free disk space. If you click scan, this one it will scan for the file that is too big, that is stored on your Mac, so that you can decide to delete it or not later on. Here, by this file, I want to delete this. Click next, and they say move to trash or delete permanent. I would say move to trash, remove. They ask you again, are you sure you want to delete? Yes. In my trash, you see here the file. And duplicate. For duplicate, it will scan your Mac to find any duplicated files. Okay, as you can see here, I have some duplicate files. For this file, I have in 2 places. First one is in desktop, in this folder, and this one also in desktop and in another folder. Unfortunately, because this is the free version, they don't allow me to remove it, and if I want to delete, I have to upgrade to the pro version. But it's okay, you just use this to scan to find the duplicate files, see the location, and you go there and delete by yourself. You don't have to buy or to upgrade to the pro version. And for the app manager here, this is definitely for the pro version. So basically the app manager is the place where you can uninstall any apps in here. You want to uninstall this, again you need to upgrade. If you don't, you cannot use this feature to uninstall. App number 9 is called MP3 Converter Free. So as its name suggests, what this app does is it allows you to convert a video or audio file into an MP3 file for free. This app is very simply designed and very easy to use. It also works smoothly without any problem. The conversion time for this app is so fast. Let's take a look at the settings first. Click here to see settings. Click on format. You can select to the way you want it to be. For the bitrate, I would recommend you to select 256 because this is the HD quality. And the channel, you can select as source here, but I would select stereo. And the sound effect, if you wanted to have a fade in and fade out, some songs or some music it does not have fade in fade out, you can click here, it will automatically make fade in and fade out for you. But to use this feature you have to buy pro version. And for the destination here where you want your file to be saved, just choose where you want it. It says drag audio, you can drag on this or you just browse. So I want to convert this, the file is M4A, I want to convert it to MP3, just click convert. You see the speed, it's very fast. Done. Close this and click open to find where you save the file here. Click play. So you see this conversion tool is very simple and easy to use. This is app number 9. Last but not least, app number 10. It is called Extractor. So what this app does is it allows you to extract almost all kinds of archive files like RAR or zip or 7Z or gzip. This app is like Unraw app. If you go to App Store, here, this one. Extractor app is like Unraw app, but the difference is that this Unraw app does not recognize if a compressed file or a RAR file has a password protection. If a file is password protected, this one will say the file is corrupted, it cannot be opened. But with Extractor, if a file has password protection, when you click to extract the file, it will ask you to type in the password. Do you see something great about this app? So you need to type in the password so that it can continue the extraction process. Let me show you an example here. Like this file is a raw file. I want to extract it. I drag and drop here. Extract. You see, it asks me to type in the password. If I type in the wrong password, click continue. You say we need permission to extract. Choose. So it could not extract. Again, if you type wrong password, it won't extract. You need to type in the right password. So let me try again and type in the right password. Done. Extraction complete. File is here. So that's it, guys. These are 10 best free optimizer apps for your Mac. Hope you liked the video. If you do, please click like, comment down below and subscribe for more useful video in the future. Have a great day, guys. See you in the next video.